Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS ZenBook UP5302Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS ZenBook UP5302Z won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of problems, including a drained battery or a faulty power supply. If left unresolved, it may lead to further complications such as data loss or hardware damage. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a new battery for replacement, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static damage. Start by ensuring the device is powered off. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component connected by several screws. Remove the screws securing the battery in place and gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you took out earlier. Before you power it on, double-check to ensure that everything is reconnected properly and securely. Now, turn on your ASUS ZenBook UP5302Z and see if it powers up. If it does, congratulations on successfully replacing the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to keep your device charged regularly and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance checks can also help identify potential problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.